Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of TargSim. This video will introduce you of the digital technology radartargetsimulator, radio frequency model external the host kit. When we're ready to open the box, we can place it on the table or floor. Open the buckle on the both sides of the handle ring. The weight is press the buckle inward to make it pop up the card slot. To avoid damage to the box, attention that the design of the opening and closing angle of the packaging box is 19 degrees. Then we check the goods information. The whole set of equipment includes a host, one radio frequency head, 4 SMA signal cables, 1 Type-C cable, 1 4-core aerial coaxial pitch cable, 1 10-core aerial coaxial pitch cable, 1 piece electricity adapter and plugs. When we use the product, we can place the equipment in the original position and keep it in the groove. Cover the lid to lock the buckle. The above is the whole content of this video. Thank you for watching.